JDM Hella Flush via YouTube asked, how come Audi's newer tiptronic cars such as the RS4 DSG Fart, even though they are only single clutch with torque converters?
Okay, so this comment was on our DSG Farts video. If you haven't seen it, Nathan will link to it. But this was talking about how DSG Farts happen. So a lot of people, because I talked about it on DSG cars, have asked me why other cars, especially current model Audis that are using, they've moved away from DSG towards normal automatic transmissions again on a lot of the S model cars, or really a lot of cars, but specifically S model cars that normally would have had DSGs, and they still have DSG farts. So the reason why is, I assume, and I don't know this for sure, but this is my assumption, is on DSGs they had to come up with this solution of DSG farts for an actual issue that would have been a problem in the way the car would have functioned. On normal automatics, even though they don't have that same type of issue, it still creates the best possible scenario for fastest shifting. So that allows them to have to allow engagement of the gear as quickly as possible. And because of that, that's why they transfer that over to the newer ones as well. So I'm actually not sure why they've moved back to the standard torque converter automatics. I assume it's a combination of things. One, they've gotten faster and fast enough that they felt comfortable doing it even on the performance models. But two, I think DSG transmissions have an issue because they're basically a manual, but they have automatic features. They have some issues that people who are used to automatic transmissions, they don't like. That is something that's normal that you have to deal with an a DSG transmission, that I think for comfort, they've switched back to that because the average user would probably prefer the normal automatic transmission because it's more comfortable than the DSG transmission. And that's why they switched back. So as far as the DSG fart thing on the normal torque converter automatics that are current, it's probably because they're still using the exact same functioning, which is ignition retardation in between shifts to allow that to happen. So hopefully that answers your question. I don't know that for sure, but that is what my assumption is as far as why they're still doing it on the torque converter ones.